In today's video, I will walk you through how to enable Normalize Volume on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the window for your profile picture. Click your profile picture to open the menu, then select Settings. Once you're on the Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Playback. Depending on your version of Spotify, this section may sometimes appear under Audio Quality. If you see either of these sections, continue there. In this section, look for the option called Normalize Volume. Once you find it, check the switch next to Normalize Volume. To enable the setting, toggle Normalize Volume to the On position. The switch will change state immediately after you click it. Once the switch is turned on, the setting is enabled. You do not need to select a Save button or restart the app. After enabling Normalize Volume, you can continue using Spotify normally. The volume setting will remain enabled as you move between tracks. If you want to check the setting, return to the Settings page and go back to the Playback section or the Audio Quality section if that is where the option appears in your version of the app. Find Normalize Volume again and check that the switch is still in the On position. If you do not see Normalize Volume, check the Playback or Audio Quality section carefully, since the location or section label may vary depending on your Spotify app version. If the option is available, simply select the switch to turn it on. Once the switch changes to the On position, Normalize Volume is enabled. You can now leave the setting as it is and continue using Spotify. The change takes effect immediately, so there is no additional save step required. To review the setting at any time, return to Spotify's Settings, scroll to Playback or Audio Quality, and locate Normalize Volume. Make sure the switch remains turned on. That is all you need to do to enable Normalize Volume on Spotify. Open Settings, find Playback or Audio Quality, locate Normalize Volume, and toggle the setting to On. Once the switch is in the On position, the feature is enabled and ready to use. No further changes are required. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Spotify with Normalize Volume enabled.